Hey guys, if you haven't heard yet, my brand new weight loss friendly recipes ebook, No More Cabbage Soup, which has over 110 weight loss friendly recipes, is currently part of the biggest deal ever. It is included in the plant-based bundle, which is a collection of over 200 plant-based ebooks and guides that you can get for an extreme discount of 99% off. Yes, you can get this entire bundle for only $50. There are tons of recipe ebooks, lots of holiday recipes, which is perfect for right now. There are also a bunch of fitness ebooks, including weight loss, gaining muscle, etc. And even if you just wanted my new ebook plus like one more, it's still going to be a great deal. So don't miss this bundle, guys. You can purchase it through the link in the description below, and this offer ends on November 28th. Ooh, here is your first view of Bangkok. This is the view from my hotel room. Got here last night. Here's my bed. Here's the room. Beautiful. Hello guys. So I just got to Bangkok last night. I am here with a company called Trip because we created a vegan food tour, vegan food and travel tour. Oh my god. And I'm actually here with my viewers. Isn't that like the coolest thing? I was literally just thinking, this might be the coolest thing I've ever done since my YouTube career started. I have yet to meet everybody because I got here last night. Everyone's coming here today and people are coming in different time slots, so I'm super jet lagged. Right now I am like fully awake, but I know it's gonna like come crashing down soon. So I think I'm gonna go to the pool, which is at the hotel. It's on the rooftop. It's actually a pretty nice pool. Yay! So here we are. I'll see you guys later. About 10 of these. Is this fake meat? I'm so confused. Ooh, more food. Thank you.
I thought this was a rice nose. I love rice. That was hilarious. Ooh.
Yay. Mushroom curry with galangal and coconut milk.
Oh, looks good.
Yeah. And this is quite similar to penne. So the texture is different. And spread every kind of spray. Because we're gonna go into the farm. So mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Farm. no?
Organic farm. Hi. Hello. Everyone's here. We're going to the farm.
Song is with orange. This song
Sawadika.
is preparing something like the herbal drink for us.
Yay.
It's giving churro vibes.
It's not what I expected. Look at this. Oh, gorgeous. Look at this. We got goodie bags. I want your reaction.
I don't think you're supposed to eat, like, I always thought it was supposed to be
right?
peeled. Like, you eat the inside, yeah. I've also never seen it green like this. Like, tamarind is very common, well, it's very common in, like, Mexico. Like, Mexican candy and stuff like that.
Try the
Okay,
inside.
try the inside. Yeah, it's very bitter.
Oh.
It's just not ripe. It's clearly not ripe.
Okay. Okay.
The third one. Seedling. Seedling. Now we do seedling.
No. Whoa. So picturesque everywhere. It's so cute, actually. It's very different from North American farmland, let me just tell you that much. Yay, we're picking ingredients for papaya salad. Ooh. I have the fruit basket. Yay.
Too much rain.
A lot.
Humongous.
Yay. Lemongrass.
Oh, yeah.
Ah! There's a bug in my ear. Kale. Yum. Okay, we got kale. Next, lettuce. Nope, can't deal with slugs. Water time. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm so sweaty. I'm just glowing, guys. Just glowing.
Where's that water at? I do want to live. I would love to live like this for like an entire year.
No.
It's very
Reactions like, no. Just
This is
something.
for repellent.
Oh.
But they told me to try some.
All the things like this we can find out in our garden.
Okay, cool. Okay. That sounds nice.
Buddy, move a little bit. No, he's not gonna do it.
But I sent me this, okay?
Oh, he moved a little.
I could live here. I would spend my time in here.
How'd you even get there? What?
I just dropped down.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like,
No, can't do it.
This is fun.
I think she went under. It depends on how spicy you love. You can put it. This one is very spicy. Did you try that?
I have.
So I put it for you just only one. She said only one is enough. One chili, one cloves of garlic. The way to save your eyes from jumping chili is by adding the salt in. No? The salt, ช้อน ไม่มี teaspoon. Like about 1 teaspoon first. And then next lime. Oh, palm sugar. Okay.
Palm sugar?
Instructor is beside me.
Yeah.
Take the seed out. 1 spoon, tablespoon. No? And then start to mix. For me, I love to squeeze this one to melt a little bit of the palm sugar. A tomato. Make it more colorful. And some of them, they also with a carrot.
Oh, right. Carrot, yeah.
Yep, I've seen that.
Thai style.
Don't be shy, guys. Just go
It's
for
really
it.
hard to eat.
Don't be shy to complain as well.
It just reminds me of like the peanut.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Ooh, let's try it. Okay. Why is it so good? And then what? And then garlic?
Two garlic, two cloves.
Two garlic?
Yeah, double.
Oh, we're making double.
Yeah.
Guys, we're making double.
Is it because we have 2 chilies?
Yeah.
I think
No,
it's 'cause
no,
we have
no.
2
Is it because we have 2 chilies or no?
Yeah.
3 chilies then.
No.
Okay, never mind. You got it, yeah? Good job.
That is so good. It tastes so much like honey.
So good. Reminds me of like caramel or something.
You guys like to do
Things first.
No. Okay.
She's like, I'm gonna step right in.
I thought that was the spicy and this was the medium.
This is spicy.
I feel like we don't know what we're doing.
We're doing all spicy apparently.
Yes.
We're all 3.
I'm not really using the spoon.
Definitely, yeah. We have a lot of common.
We made papaya salad. Not me. Everyone else. For once, I did not do the cooking. Ooh, you're gonna cook.
Girl, I
you
don't know if you
ready?
signed me up for this, but I'm doing it.
You can do it.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm scared.
you can do it.
I
Woohoo!
have cooked garlic before in case anyone.
Yeah.
I have. Maybe once or twice. Just following
Don't let it burn. Take one of these. Oh, smells good.
This is gonna shrink down to the size of my pinky.
Nice.
This is getting good.
Yeah.
My uncle always says, this is getting good.
Nice job. That looks delicious. It looks ready.
See how limp this is.
Spicy grill.
Spicy. I'm not as spicy.
Oh, you are the spicy. Oh, you're gonna be now.
I want spicy.
So nice. Ooh. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that totally wrong each time.
That's what.
And this is the mild?
These are both spicy.
I think it's wait.